Hello guys, my name is Fanil and you are watching my channel. This is my first video on the YouTube. I am sitting in my car. This video is dedicated to a problem which I am going to show you how to solve if anyone is having the same problem. This car is very old, maybe around 10 to 15 years old. The car is manufactured in 2003. It's Maruti Suzuki Zen LXI model. The problem is that the door don't open when I open it from inside, but it will open when I open it from outside, as you can see. It's the problem I am facing. We will diagnose the problem and then we will solve the problem. First we have to open this door card. There is total 1 and 2 screws down there, total 3, and I have to also remove this speaker to get this door card open, and then we will see what is the major problem in this. We need a one flathead screwdriver and a crosshead screwdriver. These screwdrivers have both the flathead and the crosshead. So I removed the cover of the speaker. Now I have to remove the 4 bolts to get out the speaker from the body. So now this car is so old that the connectors get corroded and the speakers is just disconnected from the wire. Now I have to remove this switch panel. Now to remove this cover, you have to just push the cover from bottom first. You will hear the click, then go up to the way, remove all the clips, and then just wiggle it up. It will remove the door card from panel. So now the door card is removed from the door itself. Now this is the locking mechanism. You can see if I push it, it will do this thing, and if I push this lever, it will push this rod and it will follows back inside the door. So I have to pull the window up first, then only I can reach down there. Now you can see the locking mechanism. As you can see that the locking mechanism is fully rusted. This is because the atmospheric air in the India car also remains outside without shelter in the rain also. I might just replace the whole unit. In every car, to connect this rod to any of the hole, they have used this type of mechanism. To release the rod from this, you have to put the flathead screwdriver at this point. Be careful, we don't have to break these clips. Just like that. Then just remove this rod like this. This is how you can disconnect the rods. Let me disconnect the other rods inside. It will be the same method, but I have to use my hands because there is a very less space inside there, as you can see. So to remove this mechanism from inside, I have to remove these rods. There is a 3 screw here on the side of the door. We have to remove these two as well. There is a big clip inside there. We have to remove that one also. So this is the door mechanism. This is bad in shape right now. I thought it would be good if we replace it with the new one. I am replacing this whole unit. It may contain all the rods which we need. The new unit from Maruti Suzuki, as you can see, it cost me 185 rupees. This is the new part. As you can see, it is very clean. It is already greased at points where it get in contact with the other parts. Let me show you how it works. Now this is in unlock position. This is the door is unlock position. When we pull the lever from inside, it will pull this lever and it will push the other lever downward, and this is how the lock get unlocked. It is same as we remove from the door. It will be reverse procedure of how we remove it.